So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to deep clean a Frigidaire gallery ice maker, descale, sanitize and flush. So step 1 is power down and drain. Unplug the machine from the wall outlet, remove all ice from the interior basket. Pull the unit forward to access the back. Release the drain tubes from their holder. Remove the silicone plugs from the tube. Drain all water into a bucket or sink. Replug the tube and snap them back. Second step is add cleaning solution. Mix equal part warm water and white vinegar. Pour the mixture into the wall reservoir. Fill up to the maximum fill line. Plug the machine back into the wall outlet. Third step is run the cleaning cycle. Press and hold the clean button, release after 5 seconds. When light flash, let the cycle run for 15 minutes. Unplug the machine when the cycle stops. Drain the vinegar mixture using a drain tube. Replace the plug when completely empty. Fourth step is scrub the component. Pull out the plastic ice basket. Wash the basket with warm soapy water. Dip a toothbrush into pure white vinegar. Scrub the water sensor inside the reservoir, the ice scoop and the inner wall. Wipe the rubber seal with a damp cloth. Fifth step is flush with fresh water. Fill the reservoir with clean, fresh water. Plug the machine back into the power outlet. Run a second full cleaning cycle. Drain the rinse water out of the tube. Repeat the fresh rinse 2 more times. Dry the interior with a clean towel. Sixth step is restart production. Put the ice basket back inside the machine. Turn the power on to start making ice. Throw away the first 2 batches of ice. Then thanks for watching.